Hello folks, I am your host Ali Raj and you are watching Gassightman. This video is about the free trending courses around the globe which I am giving you free of cost without any single penny. By completing this course, you will become able to earn money online by selling your services on the freelancing platforms. The whole course is about artificial intelligence, which include theory, practice and coding along the course. The institute or individual are charging heavy cost for this single course, which is about $999 or more. I am not mentioning those names, but here on the YouTube and Facebook name Gassightman, I am giving you international standard coding courses free of cost. I believe education should be free for all, but people are making huge profit by making this business. So in this course, I will provide you daily lecture on the YouTube. Let's start overview about the course. In this course, we will learn TensorFlow, pass the TensorFlow Developer Certificate exam, get hired as a TensorFlow developer in the big tech companies. This course includes access to exclusive Gassightman community, certificate of completion, step-by-step guide to pass the TensorFlow Developer Certificate exam, unlimited access to all courses, workshop, career paths and resources. This course have 64 hours of video, 45 plus bonus lecture resources and 3 projects. Prerequisite: no previous TensorFlow knowledge required, basic machine learning understanding helpful. Don't have that, no problem. We will teach you that about computer, Windows, Mac or Linux with an internet connection. This course include complete access to all interactive notebooks and all courses slide, as do download guide. Understand how to integrate machine learning into tools and applications. Build image recognition, object detection, text recognition algorithms with deep neural networks and convolutional neural networks. Build TensorFlow models using computer vision, convolution, neural network and natural language processing. Increase your skill in machine learning and deep learning modules. Using world images in different shapes and size to visualize the journey of an image through convolutions to understand how a computer sees information, plot the losses and accuracy, gain the skill you need to become TensorFlow certified developer. Here is a full breakdown of everything you will learn in this TensorFlow course. This TensorFlow course is a very hands-on experience and project based. You won't just be starting at the teach and code. You will actually be running experiment, doing exercises and building real world machine learning modules and projects to mimic the real life scenarios. We will also show you what the TensorFlow exam will look like for you. By the end of it all, you will develop the skill set needed to develop modern deep learning solutions that big tech companies encounter like Microsoft, Facebook, YouTube, Google, Amazon, Uber. Fair warning, this course is very comprehensive, but don't be intimidated. We will teach you everything from scratch. TensorFlow Fundamentals. In this course, we will tell you how TensorFlow Fundamental, neural network regression with TensorFlow, neural network classification with TensorFlow, computer vision and convolution neural networks with TensorFlow, transfer learning with TensorFlow, and the part 1 will be the feature extraction and then the transfer learning with TensorFlow. Then we will move to part 2, which include fine tuning, then transfer learning with TensorFlow. The part 3 includes scaling up, food vision, meaning and milestone include project, food vision, natural language processing. Then the milestone will be the project, and time and series fundamental analysis in TensorFlow. Then the milestone about the project. What's the bottom line? TensorFlow is growth and adopting is exploding, which means more and more jobs opening and appearing for this specialized knowledge. The big companies like Google, Airbnb, Uber, DeepMind, Intel, IBM, Twitter and many others are currently powered by TensorFlow. TensorFlow is even outgrowing other popular machine learning tools like PyTorch in the job market. We guaranteed you this is the most comprehensive online course on passing the TensorFlow developer certificate and qualify you as a TensorFlow expert. So why you wait? Advance your career and earn a heavy salary by becoming a Google certified developer and adding a TensorFlow to your toolkit. So what are you waiting for? Advance your career and earn high salary by becoming Google certificate developer and adding TensorFlow to your toolkit. And you have nothing to lose because you can start learning right now, and this course is not everything you're gonna expect. When the best time to get started? Today is the best time. There is never a bad time to learn in demand skill, but the sooner the better. So start learning TensorFlow today by joining the Get Excitement YouTube and Facebook platform. You will have a clear roadmap to becoming the skill to build your own projects, get hired and advance your career. The course is starting soon, so keep watching the video on the YouTube and Facebook platform and start earning money online through selling your services as a business. I will see you on my YouTube channel Get Excitement.